The sun rises high in the sky, warming the earth as the clouds drift by. The trees sway gently in the breeze's caress, their leaves rustling softly in a soothing address. The forest floor, a carpet soft and green, inviting all to come and be seen. The creatures of the wild, they roam and play in harmony with nature in their own sweet way. The mountains stand tall and strong and free, their peaks reaching high into the wild blue sea. The rivers flow like veins on the earth's skin, nourishing all with their gentle flow within. The stars appear like diamonds in the night, twinkling and sparkling with all their might. The moon glows full with a gentle light, illuminating all in its soft and silvery sight. Nature's beauty is a gift to us all, a treasure to cherish and never to fall. It's a reminder of the beauty and the might of the world around us and the wonder inside. The sunrise, the sun